INTERPACK is more than a product exhibition for us this year. The packaging industry is at a turning point as sustainability pressures, supply chain restructuring, and shifting consumer expectations are all evolving simultaneously. We are showcasing new products, new technologies, but also demonstrating that we are the guiding partner brands need during this transformation. For years, packaging was treated as a cost center, a technical problem to be solved. Brands today realize that the role of packaging has transformed. Every brand leader we meet asks about recyclability, carbon footprint, shelf life, supply chain resilience, and consumer trust. Because packaging is the only touch point that reaches every single consumer at the exact moment of purchase. No campaign or influencer collaboration can claim that. Packaging is no longer at the edge of the conversation, it is the conversation. We ensure sustainability messaging is backed up by the product. It sounds simple, but it's very difficult in practice. Many companies may claim their supply chains cannot fully support. We've been investing for years. That means our customers can rely on credible, measurable data to make reporting and consumer messaging stronger. Look at our Korozo recyclable technology. Truly recyclable monomaterial solutions with the same performance as a multi-layer packaging. We are ahead in the EU PPWR targets and already have an A score from CDP. When we talk about sustainability, that's really what we mean. Tangible, verifiable progress that really adds value. I want every visitor leaving our stand to think, Korozo is more than a manufacturer. It's a partner that treats its customers' growth as a problem to solve together. But more importantly, the scale is the agility and strategic depth we built in recent years. The packaging industry is changing, and we are determined to be one of the companies leading that change.